Hello guys, welcome to Average Consumers India. Today we are gonna discuss what are the different types of clasp available for watches in the market. This is a Titan automatic watch and this has a pin and buckle clasp. This type of clasp is often seen in watches with leather bracelets, so it can be open something like this. It has a pin and a buckle, and the leather bracelet has holes, and once you need to close it, you can just insert the pin in one of the holes and close it just like this. This is a Seiko 5 sports model. It has what's called a foldover clasp, something like this. The watches at more affordable end has this type of clasp on a stainless steel bracelet. These type of clasp often has something called micro adjustment holes, which can be used to size up the bracelet for a specific length. This is a Xylys quartz watch with day, date and 24-hour complication. This has something called a butterfly clasp or deployment clasp. This is the third type of clasp that it has three parts that comes in together to close the watch. So these three metal parts come together to close the watch. That's similar to a butterfly wing closing, so that's why it's called the butterfly clasp. This is a Tissot edition with blue dial and black strap variant. This also has deployment clasp, but since this is on a leather belt, it looks something like this when you open it up. But it does not have push buttons on the center. Instead, it just closes like this. These butterfly clasps are generally seen on watches on the more expensive end. This is a Victorinox Maverick non-chronograph version, and this has something called a milk clasp. This type of clasp is generally seen on watches on the more expensive end. It looks something like this. This may or may not come with the micro adjustment holes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. This is Average Consumers India. See you next time.